I am talking about nothing. I'm stupid. Okay, here's your Sportster foot peg gasket, which goes right there on a Sportster. So this is the one that works correctly, but see the hole's bigger and the outside's smaller. So when you put it on top of that, see how it's bigger than that? So you can see it. But if you pull this off, and put that on there, pull it off. Just pull the whole thing off.
This?
Yeah. And put that on there. Flip it over. See, that's small. It's the same size. All they gotta do is make the hole bigger.
Oh.
I'll go over that. It'll be fine. Now they got something in here. It's like a rubber spring or something. I think there's a spring in there. It looks like that's kind of some kind of a spring thing. See, it's springy. But it's not enough to take up all the slack. So this gasket should give us a little extra to take up the slack. But I gotta open the hole up. But I gotta open the hole up. Yeah, it's made. It's custom. It's custom. You know what custom means, don't you?
Yes. Modified.
It means it fits something, but it means it fits something, but we don't know what it is.
That's true.
That's why it's custom. If they knew what it fit, it wouldn't be custom. Okay, so we're going to customize this washer because we know what this washer fits. And it does not fit what it needs to fit. So we're going to make it fit. So what size hole do we need?
I don't know.
About that size? Now this might be slightly dangerous.
Everything you do is slightly dangerous.
So here's our 1/2-inch hole. So I don't really care about being dangerous, you know me.
Yeah. Get her done.
That's it. Whatever it takes. Those fingernails will grow back. And so's the meat.
I'll be over here.
Oh, there was a comment about you getting your finger pinched. You know. I still don't know how you pinched your finger because I don't see where you did it.
There was a comment?
Yeah. See, this doesn't work.
We were doing this.
This is too fine. I still don't know how you did it.
You slammed the seat down.
I don't know how you did it though. I don't see how you did it. There we go. That looks like the right grit. I'm going to use the aluminum one. Stupid gasket material. It still doesn't cut. Oh, watch that sound. Deburr it. Oh, I got the fingernail. Damn, both sides. Well, there's a comment about safety glass and unsafe drill press activity.
Drill press, all that.
Yeah, and you're way too close in the video like I thought you were. Can't see squat. You gotta watch.
I was too close?
Oh, way too close. You can't see anything.
With the grinding?
With the videoing. Yeah, you're that too. You're super close.
That's called a close-up.
Yeah, you can't tell anything when it's closed up. Okay, give me a close-up of that there, sir. Does it fit? Don't get no grease on it.
Barely.
Barely? Does it barely go on or does it barely not go on?
It barely goes on.
Well, put it on. What's the hold up?
You said don't get any grease on it.
Well, if it fits, you're good to go. Put it together.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, yeah, you, yeah, ooh, yeah. I heard you, hoo, yeah, I've heard of that. It doesn't look like it fits to me.
No, needs a little bit more.
A little bit more. Oh, look, he's got a little grease on it now.
Oh, you told me to put it on, damn it.
You get a close-up. See, when it's like that, you can't see anything.
It was in focus.
It was in focus, but you couldn't see anything. I could see the
Are you
chip
with the
coming up.
grinding wheel?
I could see the chip coming up, and that's about all you could see. It was so close, you can see about that much chip coming up. Yeah, your view was like
The
3
sparks,
inches.
right?
Your view was like 3 inches, is all you could see.
It was The effect.
Well, the special effects.
Special effect.
Oh.
But I was out wide most of the time. There you go. Look at that.
I can't see that. Hold on. Let me get a blow up of that. There we go. See, he wants a
All the
special
way
effect. I gotta get. Hold on. I gotta adjust the camera view. Adjust it lightly. Okay, there you go.
3, 2, 1, action.
Whoa! Look at that.
Oh.
But see, when you blow out like that, you can actually see what you're doing. It gives you a better effect, so you can actually see what's going on versus being like this. See that? It's super close. It doesn't tell you nothing. When you're back here, you can actually see what's
Let
happening.
me tell you.
You got to play back this video and see what I'm talking about. You camera guys are not that good. And you get paid for that too, don't you? Jeez.
Leave a comment.
I did. I leave my comments in the video.
Oh, great.
I don't hide them. I'm not afraid to leave my comments. All right, put that pedal on yet? Did it work?
I didn't do nothing.
Did you put Loctite on there yet?
No.
Why not? What are you doing?
I'm playing golf.
Get out of my way.
Oh, there it is.
You're in the work area. You're in the work area. So we got to do work in the work area.
I'm not locking anything down until you okay it.
I don't okay nothing. I just do it. See how the camera you can see me? You can see what I'm doing? Look at that. Did you put this back in the right spot or is it wrong?
It's not going to be right until she tries it.
Okay, it's tight. Now it doesn't rattle so much.
Telephone.
Much better.
That's a wrap.
Much better. Now it doesn't rattle so much. See? There you go. Oh, I can't see nothing with that fat leg in the way. Jeez.
You got to change your angle.
My angle's wrong? Oh, now you gotta tell me. I'm the video guy. I'm not the angle
Should be
guy.
down there.
I should be down there. How about up here and you hold it?
Okay.
Look at that. Now you got like a what's that? A selfie stick? Is that what that is?
Selfie tripod.
Selfie tripod stick. Hitting on everything. Get a 6 foot one. All right. Foot. It's in the right spot.
Oh, that's nice.
You like that? Can you shift it? Oh, it shifted. Does this still need to go down a little bit, or are you all right?
Well, I mean, I'm up in the air, but not for maybe a little bit.
A little bit higher, a little bit lower.
Lower.
Lower. I'm gonna be so damn low. I'm gonna be back where we started. I've already lengthened this rod by a ½ inch. That's about how much length you got adjustment. Just 2 more turns.
Do you know if she rides in boots?
I don't know what she uses. That's why she's here to do it.
I would wait. That doesn't look bad at all.
It was started with your foot against your foot, so we only moved it up about a ¼ inch.
Yeah.
But to do that, we had to go up a spline and come down this much back down. So, all right. So you feel good there?
Yeah.
Is the heel in the same spot on the other
Yes.
side? You sure?
Yeah, I've felt it before.
It feels good.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we gotta do
I can push evenly.
now we gotta do some work on that. Now this one is going to go down also. The other one went up a little bit when I tightened it. This one's gonna go down. So I'm gonna try to hold it. See if it went down any. Hopefully it didn't. Come on, get in there, dumbass. Okay, what's it feel like? Did it drop or stay in the same spot?
Feels higher in the center of the foot.
So that means this dropped. So it needs to come up a little bit. What about the other side? To do a precision measurement.
It's not bad.
About a 1/4 inch up on that edge. I got my precision measurement device here. It's quite a bit higher. See the difference?
Oh, so the heel needs to come up on this side.
It's that half, it's 3/8 of an inch lower. See how this one here's way above? See yours way longer? See, you're way the hell off.
Is the bike?
Oh, the bike must be perfectly level. It's on the lift and everything. Oh, you scratched the chrome, lost the Allen wrench. Oh, it's terrible. It's not quite the same height, but close. I think it dropped a little bit when I did that. Okay. Okay. Feel the same or feel a lot higher on this side? What's it feel like? It should still be lower on the other side right now, but nobody says everything's perfect on this bike. Your leg might be
It
longer.
seems kind of higher.
Your leg might be longer on this side. So you think it's a little higher? Feels higher?
Well, the brake is in the way.
I know, the brake makes a difference.
I like it.
Okay, we'll leave it. Okay. So I can go ahead and put a little Loctite on the bolt here. Right now it's still a 1/4 inch lower than the other side, but like I said, things are not always 100% perfect. I don't think I moved it any, but I tightened it up a little bit further, slightly. Right there. Rubbers don't wear out as much here.
Nope. Sure won't.
Yeah, looks pretty good. Yep. All right. Feel good?
Perfect.
I'll leave this loose because we'll start to do her final adjustment. All right. Here we go. Precision adjustment number 103. And the seat looks like you're good on that. Do a little bouncy from the back. Going pretty even up and down. See, that's why I put the springs real wide so it's more even. Otherwise the seat moves around a lot more. You can pull the front handlebar straight if you want. Put all, feet are all in there, right? See, this peg looks like it's angled down a little bit compared to the other one.
This one?
Yeah. Doesn't look like, it looks like it's going downhill, but the other one looks like it's going out straight. But it might be an illusion, but I bet you it has a slight downhill angle to it. But, you know, production variation of metal parts. They're not perfect. What a shocker. Not perfect. All right. That's a wrap for now. We'll find something else to work on.